Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to unlink a bank account from Truebill. Open the website, then click Login. Enter your email address. Then click on Continue. Next, enter your password. And click on Continue. Once you're logged in, you will see a gear icon at the upper left side of the screen. Click on the gear icon. On the drop-down list, you will see an option for linked accounts. Click on Linked Accounts. A pop-up window will appear. And here you will see all the linked accounts. Click on the three dots beside the bank account you wish to unlink. Then an option that says Unlink will appear. Click on Unlink. A new pop-up window will appear. It will ask you if you're sure to unlink. To proceed, click on Yes, Unlink. That's how you unlink a bank account from Truebill. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.